Here we go, Brandon. Bgroove audio. Your replicant is tuned, brother. We got a nice green to purple fade. We got the handles all tuned up, everything cleaned. I even ultrasonic your scales for you. They were looking pretty rough. Nice and nutty. Alright, so we do the first test, which is the secondary swing. I'm looking for that handle to keep coming right there, like that. Right there, like that. Let's do play. Minimal play. Look at that, looks slick with the green and purple, eh? We'll do the tap test. Of course, there's none. And these pivots are cranked, so if you take it apart for any reason, there is no sweet spot. Your sweet spot is squeeze those handles and turn those fuckers until it gets scary. Alright, let's do a sound check. She's bouncy too, man. I like the sound of a G10 rep. Let's examine the ano. A little oil in the way the light's hitting it. We're all even colors. Pretty damn even fade. Sorry about my videos, they're not the best lighting down here. And I'm not confident to flip through a camera lens, so. Like that. We'll do the primary swing test now. Oh wait, we do this one too, real quick. I like to drop it. I'm looking for the blade to keep, moving free with the handles and also hit my knuckle. So right there, see how the handle keeps going into the blade? Nice movement. Same here. And I'm looking for the same type of rebound. See what the blade's doing? So, dun dun dun. Let's remember that cadence. Dun dun dun. Okay. See what I'm saying? Same cadence. That means we have the same tension on each handle. And we'll do this primary swing test where I fixture it against the ledge. Let me get it in focus. And I hold it here. Now, sometimes with these G10 scales, they're rounded, so it kind of does this. Puts a little bit of a different drag on it, but okay. Get it lined up even here. And drop it. Okay. Now for the last test, I like to See how everything's staying apart? The blade's behaving the same way through the closing. Everything comes together at the very end. You know, you're not getting anything chasing it in early like this. You're not getting the blade coming home soon. Everything's staying apart. Ooh, that was the bite handle. There you are, brother. Hope you enjoy.